Hello students, welcome to my study channel. Today we will study the chapter rational numbers. We will go through the exercise questions of 1.2. This is for my class 8 students. Exercise 1.2. Already you must have done exercise 1.1. It is 1.2 class 8. You see what is question number 1. You see, represent these numbers on the number line. 7 upon 4 and minus 5 upon 6. We have to represent these rational numbers on number line. So already I have told you, you see, the numerator is greater than the denominator or not. So I will represent 7 upon 4 on the number line. So you see 7 upon 4, that is equal to 7 into 1 upon 4. So how many 1 upon 4? 7 times 7 numbers of 1 upon 4. Okay, so with the help of the ruler, you just represent a line first. Okay, suppose you give a mark and label it as 0. Then you take the unit distances. Already I have told you, you have to take a fixed distance of your ruler for the unit distances. You see here the number 1 upon 4, but you will take the fixed distance. It will be better for you. You take 1 centimeter of the ruler. Okay. So if this distance be 1 centimeter, then it is the number 1 upon 4. So how many I will have to take? 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So this will be 7 upon 4. How you see? This is 1 upon 4. This is 2 upon 4. This is 3 upon 4. This is 4 upon 4. That is 1. 4 upon 4. That is equal to 1. Next, 4 plus 1 upon 4. That is 5 upon 4. And 5 upon 4 plus 1 upon 4, that is 6 upon 4, that is 7 upon 4. And if you do next 1 centimeter you take and you write here, you give your mark, that is 8 upon 4, that is 2. So you may show here, this is 7 upon 4. So we did it for 7 upon 4, when the numerator was greater than the denominator. Then come to next, minus 5 upon 7. You see, you just ignore the negative sign for the time being. The numerator is less than the denominator. So how many divisions you will have to take? The 6 divisions you will have to take. So you fix each equal division will be 1 centimeter of the ruler you take. So how many divisions? The 6 divisions. Either I will move towards the right of 0 or the left of 0. This sign indicates, the negative sign indicates that we will have to move towards the left from 0. From this side, in this side we will have to move. So you see how many divisions? 6 divisions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So this is my minus 1. That means this distance from 0 to minus 1, from here to here, to this point, from this point to this point. This has been divided into 6 divisions. Yes or no? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is minus 1 upon 6, minus 2 upon 6, minus 3 upon 6, minus 4 upon 6, minus 5 upon 6. And this is also minus 6 upon 6, which is minus 1. So minus 5 upon 6. You just encircle the points we can show here. Okay? So like this you will do it. So do not give a tick mark here, for I wanted to make you understand, so I have given here a tick mark. Do not give the tick mark, just you encircle the point. You just do like this, represent like this. So I erase it. We'll go to next question. Represent minus 2, it is question number 2. Minus 2 upon 11, minus 5 upon 11, minus 9 upon 11 on the number line. So you see, in these cases, you ignore the negative sign, minus sign. You see, in each case, you see numerator is less than the denominator. Yes or no? Using the ruler, 0. Then you see negative sign means we have to move towards left. And in each case, 11 is the denominator. So from the first, what you will do, you take 11 divisions. And it depends on you what fixed distance you will take from the ruler. You may take 0.5 centimeter or 1 centimeter. I think in your notebook 1 centimeter will be possible. That means 11 centimeter you can do it. Otherwise you take 0.5 centimeter, that doesn't affect. You decide what distance you have to take out of the ruler. Okay? So if you take 1 centimeter, it's okay. If you take 0.5 centimeter, there is no harm. So you see, how many divisions? 11 divisions. 1, 2, 3, 4. You see, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter distance I am taking towards the negative of 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I require now 11 here. Okay? This is I have taken 11 divisions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And this is my minus 1. This distance from the point 0 to point minus 1. This distance. And I have divided this distance into 11 equal divisions. So each division in the negative direction, it will be minus 1 divided by 11 or minus 1 upon 11. This is minus 2 upon 11. This is minus 3 upon 11, minus 4 upon 11, minus 5 upon 11. You go on like this. Minus 6 upon 11, minus 7 upon 11, minus 8 upon 11, minus 9 upon 11. Like this. You do not write all this. No need. Just I am showing you. Here it has been given minus 2 upon 11. You make the pair. You may not write from here. Just to mention, it is minus 1 the point. That shows. So this point shows that this is minus 2 upon 11. Just encircle it. It's okay. Then you see minus 5 upon 11. Where? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is minus 5 upon 11. 6, 7, 8, 9. This is minus 9 upon 11. We could show on a single number line these three numbers. Okay? Because the denominator was 7. Okay? So you will go to question number 3. Write 5 rational numbers which are smaller than 2. You know what a rational number is? If you can write a number in the form p upon q, where p and q are integers and q is not equal to 0. That's a rational number. So we have to find 5 rational numbers which are smaller than 2. You decide. So smaller than 2, you may take 1, you may take 0, you may take half, you may take -1, you may take -2. All these values are less than 2 or not? Yes, all are less than 2. And you can express 0 as a rational number, 1 as a rational number, -1 as a rational number, -1 upon 1, -2 upon 1, half. It is 1 and 2 are integers. So in P by Q form everything you can write. So it depends on you. You decide. Very easy question. Then go to question number 4. What you will do here? You see. Find 10 rational numbers between -2 upon 5 and 1 upon 2. So -2 upon 5 and 1 upon 2. We have to find 10 rational numbers. If we had been asked to find one rational number, then we would have taken the mean -2 upon 5 plus 1 upon 2 whole divided by 2. Like this we could do, but it has been given 10 rational numbers. And you see, first what you have to do? First you make the denominator same. To make the denominator same, what we have to do? We have to take the lowest common multiple of both the numerical values which are as denominators. So 5 and 2, LCM is 5 into 2, because both 5 and 2 have the common factor 1. So we will multiply 2, know that their LCM. So lowest common multiple is 10. So we have to convert. So -2 upon 5. We have to make the denominator 10. So what you will do here, you see. So -2 upon 5 into 2 into 2. That is -4 upon 10. And here it is 1 upon 2. Convert the denominator into 10. So 2 into 5. That is equal to 5 upon 10. So the denominator becomes same. So this is -4 upon 10. This is 5 upon 10. And we have to find 10 rational numbers. So you see, when the denominator are same, here it is 10, here it is 10. And what are the numerators? Like here it is -4, here it is 5. And it will move through 0. So you see, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Only 8 rational numbers we can represent correctly. There are so many rational numbers, countless. But what we are doing? We need 10 rational numbers, but we can find 8 rational numbers. So what will you do now? Again, you see, first we made the denominator same, taking LCM. Then we have to 10 rational numbers. At least you add 1 to how many it has been asked? 10. 10 plus 1, that is equal to 11. You multiply 11 both by the numerator and the denominator. So -4 upon 10, that is equal to -4 into 10 plus 1, 11. At least you add 1 to the number of rational numbers it has been asked. That is -44 divided by 110. So here it was 5 upon 10. In this case also you write 5 upon 10, then you multiply 11, because the denominator will have to be same. That is 55 upon 110. You see, both the denominators are same. Then we will have to move from -44 to 55. So in an increasing order, we will have to move. So we can find so many numbers. It will not go. We will not take minus 44 upon 110 or 55 upon 110. No. Minus 43 upon 110 to 54 upon 110. Minus 43 upon 110, minus 42 upon 110, minus 41 upon 110, then through minus 1 upon 110, then 0. After 0 we also calculated 0. After 0, 1 upon 110, 2 upon 110, 3 upon 100, up to 54 upon 110. So there are so many numbers. Only you have to find 10 rational. It depends on you. Either you move from minus 43 upon 110 minus 42 like this, or when you knew the range, you may write 1 upon 110, 2 upon 110, 3 upon 110, up to 10 upon 110. Like this, you can do easily. Okay? And you see, why we are doing like this? Now the rational numbers was first, it was minus 2 upon 5. You see, the equivalent rational number minus 4 upon 10. Then equivalent rational number minus 44 upon 110. The value has not been changed. The value, it has not been changed. So minus 2 upon 5 is equal to minus 4 upon 10. It is also equal to minus 44 upon 110. So finally what I am trying to say you, the value remains same, but we just extend the range to find our rational numbers easily. And in this case you see the next rational number, that is 1 upon 2, that is 5 upon 10, that is equal to 55 upon 110. So all are equivalent rational numbers. The value is same. Here the three rational numbers, they are equivalent rational numbers. The value is same. So when we are calculating some rational numbers between minus 2 upon 5 and 1 upon 2, that is also equal to, we can find between minus 44 and upon 110 and 55 upon 110. So we are doing like this. Okay? Let's move to the next question. So the next question is, find 5 rational numbers between, question number 5, 2 upon 3 and 4 upon 5. We have to find 5 rational numbers. So you see, first what we have to do? Already I have told you, first you release the LCM, because you have to make the denominator same. So 3 5, LCM is 1500. So you write 2 upon 3 is equal to 2 upon 3 into 5 into 5. That is 10 upon 15. Then 4 upon 5, that is equal to 4 upon 5, you multiply, here it is 5, you multiply 3, that is equal to 12 upon 15. And you see the denominator, here it is same, and between 10 and 12, after 10 we tell 11, then 12, only one possibility. No, we require how many? We need 5 rational numbers. So 5 plus 1, already I have told you, at least you add 1. You may add more, but at least you will have to add 1. Then 5 plus 1, that is equal to 6. So we have to multiply 6 both by the numerator and the denominator. So 10 upon 15, that is equal to 10 into 6 divided by 15 into 6. That is 60 upon 90. And here you see 12 upon 15, that is equal to 12 into 6 divided by 15 into 6. That is equal to 72 upon 90. So you see the denominator is same And you see the numerator, you just compare. We have to travel from 60 to 72. So we start from 61 to 71 we can take. Yes or no? So how many? Now we have to write 5 rational numbers, but we are getting, you see, 61 upon 90, 62 upon 90, 63 upon 90, 64 upon 90, 65 upon 90, up to 71 upon 90. But we need only 5. You decide any number. What we have decided from 61 upon 90 to up to 71 upon 90. You can choose any 5. It depends on you. If you write 61, 62, 63, 64 up to 65, that means 61 upon 90, 62 upon 90 up to finally 65 upon 90. Then you may do like this. So it will be easier for you. So number 2, you can do also easily. Just I do it because there is a negative sign in the numerator. And 5 upon 3. You see, you take the LCM, you have to make the denominator same, already I have told you. So minus 3 upon 2. That is equal to minus 3, we have to make it 6, so multiply 3. That is equal to minus 9 upon 6. Then that is a 5 upon 3. What you will do here? You write 5 upon 3, then you multiply. The denominator will be 6. So you multiply 2. Here it is 2. That is 10 upon 6. So you see, here it is 6. Here it is 6. The denominator is same. Now we will see, we have to move from minus 9 to 10. How many numbers you see in between minus 9 and 10? We are just comparing between the two numerators. You see, from minus 8 to 0. Then from 1 to 9. 1 to 9, 0 is there. 9 plus 1, 10. Plus minus 1 to minus 8, that is 8 numbers. That means 17 rational numbers were with us. Like minus 9, that is in the increasing order. So minus 8 upon 6, minus 7 upon 6, minus 6 upon 6, that is minus 1 also. Minus 6 upon 6, minus 5 upon 6. Minus 4 upon 6, minus 3 upon 6, minus 2 upon 6, minus 1 upon 6, then 0 upon 6, like this, then 1 upon 6, 2 upon 6, up to 9 upon 6. We may choose any. We have been asked to find 5 rational numbers. You may choose any 5. There is no need here to multiply 5 plus 1, that is 6. You do not multiply here because when we have already converted that, we have made the denominator same. When we are comparing, now the required numbers are available more than 5. So we did not. There is no necessity to add 1 with 5, then you multiply both by the numerator and the denominator, because already the range is here, we can find. You will do here, no need to multiply now. But in this case we are doing, why? You see, here it was 15. Then from 10 to 12 we could not find our 5. Both were the positive rationals, but here one is negative rational or other one is positive. So when we are making the denominator same, in the first step we can get so many rational numbers, because minus, then here it is, the next one is plus number, and the number line we can get more numbers. So no need to multiply, at least we have to add 1 with the number of rational numbers it has been asked. Do not use this in this case when there is a negative input. Just you mark here and you decide what to do. No need. So I erase it. Next, write 5 rational numbers which is greater than -2. So rational numbers greater than -2. So you start your journey from -1 in the increasing order. 0, 1, 2, 3. You go on like this. The last number is question number 7. Find 10 rational numbers between 3/5 and 3/4. You can do easily 3/5 and 3/4. Make the denominator same. So LCM of 5 and 4 is 5 into 4, that is equal to 20. So we have to make the denominator 20. So 3/5, 5 into 4, 3 into 4, that is equal to 12/20. 3/4. So 3 into 5, 4 into 5, because the denominator should be 20. So we can compare. So here you see, here it is. How many rational numbers we have been asked? 10 rational numbers. You see, here it is 20, denominator 20. From 12 to 15, 13, 14. Now we have to move. So you have to multiply 10 plus 1. Already I have told you at least you add a 1. Then you multiply. So 12/20 into 11 into 11. What is the value you see? You see 12 tens are 120 plus 12. This plus 132. You multiply and this is 220. 11 twos are 22 and 1 0 you place here. The next you go to 15/20 and we have to, that is equal to 15 into 11, 20 into 11. 15 tens are 15 into 10 plus 1. You apply the distributivity. The multiplication over addition, you will see this property. So this is 150 plus 15, that is 165. Perhaps I am right. Yes, 220. You see. Then we compare. Both the denominators are again same. We have extended the range. So we have to move from 132 to 165. That means from 133 upon 220 to 164 upon 220. We have to move like this. Okay. So next is 134 upon 220, 135 upon 220. Like this you may take. We require 10 rational numbers. We can find easily any rational number between 132 upon 220 to 165 and 165 upon 220. That means from 133 upon 220 to 164 upon 220 we may take. Yes or no? So how many numbers we will find here? 164 minus 133, that is 31, then plus 1, that is 32. We will find 32 numbers and we have to select only 10. Any 10. It depends on you. So thank you for watching my channel. If you have not subscribed, please, my students, please subscribe my channel. I will solve not only mathematics but also science in a very few days. I will go through and up to 10th standard I will move with you. So please share with me. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe the channel and we will move accordingly. So wish you all the best.